This video is brought to you by SCDKey, the best website that you may visit in terms of very affordable deals and best offer para sa application softwares, games, and yes, operating system. Sign up sa kanilang website and there you are, you may check the Windows 10 Pro and by using our promo code, ma-avail mo lang siya ng around $14.95 or 700 plus pesos. And yes, there are a lot of payment options using your credit card, debit card, via PayPal account, or if you have a PayPal account like mine, yun yung gagamitin natin. That's it mga kaibigan. Check the description below. May mga links po tayo dyan to go directly sa kanilang website. Pinakamalakas na pang gaming na computer. This is it. The time-lapse video with the Intel Core i9-10900K. And yes, benchmark at the end of the video. And syempre, isa sa mga nakikita nyo ngayon dito sa ating harapan is ipapag-giveaway natin. So, wait till the end of the video and let's talk how will you join this giveaway. Feel free to subscribe for more videos like this. Okay, so that's it, the time-lapse video and of course the benchmark. So makikita nyo naman na this is, I think, the toughest review that I have done. So the best thing that I can do with the Intel Core i9-10900K is to compare dun sa kapresyo niyang AMD Ryzen 9, which is the Ryzen 9 3900X. And since nag-fluctuate ang market ngayon, so yung Intel Core i9-10900K is now positioned at a fair enough advantage in terms of the gaming side, pero makikita naman natin that benchmark won't lie, and nakita nyo na nga po na the AMD Ryzen 9 better architecture, IPC, more cores, more threads, get the advantage of having the better processor in terms of rendering kahit na mas mababa yung kanyang frequency compared sa Intel Core i9-10900K, which is still based on the previous generation na parang 14 nanometer ng Skylake. Pero this Intel Core i9-10900K, mga kaibigan, despite the fact na meron siyang older architecture or structure, is still got the advantage kasi nga meron siyang mas magandang frequency. Pero eto nga yung kapalit. If ang ambient temperature nyo po is nasa 30 degrees Celsius above, climate controlled, ibig sabihin wala po kayong aircon, electric fan lang, tapos nakadepende lang kayo sa typical na klima dito sa Pilipinas. You are not in Baguio, you are not in Tagaytay, or you are not somewhere in the Philippines na merong mga pine trees. I doubt that you will go for the Intel Core i9-10900K kung hindi po kayo naka-aircon, especially that most of the AIOs and the air coolers got this 200 watts TDP, pero sometimes ambient temperature is still the biggest factor that you will not have the maximum potential of Intel Core i9. Since thermals is one of the factors, especially with this kind of feature na gumagamit tayo ng Asus with this AI overclocking, which functions the same like the default boost na meron ng Intel. It's just a bit more aggressive. If we will disregard the thermals, considering that we all have this kind of temperature or ambient temperature like sa mga foreigners or sa mga international tech reviewers that comes with this 20 degrees Celsius ambient temp like Optimum Tech or like those syempre Linus in Canada na may mga 20 degrees Celsius, syempre talagang na-maximize nila yung kanilang build. Pero with that being said, mga kaibigan, my final conclusion, Intel Core i9-10900K is the go-to processor if you are just into pure gaming, and syempre you want more cores than Intel Core i7-10700K, or if you are into rendering pero talagang gusto mong mag-Intel, then you will go for the Intel Core i9-10900K, especially na kung walang problema naman in terms of budget. Pero my recommendation is still going for the Intel Core i7-10700K kung pure gaming. Just remember yung reminder ko kanina, mga kaibigan, that we are a tropical country with this kind of average ambient temperature of around 28 to 34 degrees Celsius all day. These benchmarks are done with Asus AI optimized settings. So ayan po yung dahilan kung bakit medyo mas mataas yung nakuha po nating benchmark over the Ryzen 9, especially sa gaming. Now of course, for the chassis, it's Cooler Master MB511 Mesh and Cooler Master ML240, the best AIO that we compared before nung ginawa natin naman yung air cooler versus AIO. And then yes, lastly, Gskill Trident Royal memory RAM yung ginamit natin with this kind of build, and with the support of Gskills sa ating 100k subscribers. Thank you for giving us this RAM, at ito pong RAM na po ito is syempre a congratulation token na binigay sa atin ni Gskill, and ito naman po is aking ipapag-giveaway sa inyo, mga kaibigan. So simple lang po ang pag-join ng ating giveaway. Feel free to subscribe, comment down below kung anong masasabi mo sa ating build, and yes, suggestion, concerns, so kung ano yung mga susunod nating i-build dito or papakita, or nagustuhan mo ba, or any comment about this setup na ginawa natin. How is our time lapse? Anyway, for the third step is share this video on your social media accounts. That's it guys, thank you so much and stay safe everyone.